Hey guys, in today's video, we'll install BONOSS wheel spacer for the new BMW 4 Series.
For many BMW owners, replacing their BMW with wide body kits or a set of aftermarket wheels has become the choice of most people. However, not all the OEM wheels can fit perfectly. The inaccurate wheel may cause a vibration while driving at high speed. So in this case, no matter if you have an inconsistent aftermarket wheel with the original car, the wheel is not flush looped to the fender, or the wheel clearance issue occurs, wheel spacer can be the way to solve all those problems easily. The 2-inch wheel spacers is exactly the flush thickness for the BMW 4 Series, converted to the M4 body kit. The back of the BONOSS wheel adapters has unique grooves. That's our global patent active cooling design, which makes the external air flow in and takes away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. By correcting the offset, the wheel spacer will solve most potential friction problems and allow you to install larger brake calipers to upgrade the handling performance of the car.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.